Hey guys, Craig Ripley here for Living Off the Slab. One of the great things we got to do this summer was head to Hunter Mountain, New York in the Catskills for the Victory Motorcycle Club's National Meet for 2014. For those of you who aren't familiar with the Victory Motorcycle Club, let me give you a brief history. It started off in 1998 as a Yahoo chat group and kind of just grew from there. Today it is its own website, its own international organization with more than 90 local chapters spread around the globe and about 4,000 active members. And each year, one of the local chapters is chosen to host the VMC National Meet. This year, it happened to be the Adirondack Victory Riders, and they chose Hunter Mountain, New York in the Catskills as the location of the 2014 meet. So before we get started with the details of the rally, let me give a big shout out to the Adirondack Victory Riders. They put on a great meet this year. Everybody had a wonderful time, and if they ever want to do it again, I think they'll have a big crowd. Everybody will want to come back. Now, normally these national meets start on Thursday afternoons, but we were a little early. My little crew came in on Wednesday afternoon. We came in via Route 28 and Route 30 up through the mountains, through the Catskills, and just had a really great time. Here's a little sample of our ride. Hello, so we made it to the Catskills Mountain Club in Hunter, New York.
Hi. It's beautiful here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. We're the first ones here actually to check in. So we're just awaiting all of the other members of the VMC to come in and get the party started. Early morning on July 17th, and we're here in Hunter Mountain, New York for the Victory Motorcycle Club's National Rally for 2014.
Bye.